transforming your living space into a beautiful heaven? Welcome to Bajrang Home Studio, your one-stop destination for interiors and hardware. What's more, our products are crafted with the highest quality materials, ensuring durability and a touch of luxury for your home. What are you waiting for? Visit Bajrang Home Studio today and start creating the home of your dreams. Your perfect makeover starts with us. Located at Lakshmi Plaza near Ribhoi Parking, Kuala Lumpur.